Passive income, making money while you sleep. I bet you never dreamed that your cleaning business would make you money while you weren't even working. But what if I told you that you were dead wrong? Hey, it's Joe from Everest Microbial Defense. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how your cleaning business can make you money while you sleep and explain why you're already ahead of the competition. Pat Flynn said passive income is not about working hard for a one-time commission. It's about creating something that will pay you over and over again. If I was to come up to you on the street and tell you that your cleaning business could make more money, well, you'd probably expect the next words out of my mouth to be raise your prices or get more clients. And even if we could justify a price increase, that's usually not something that goes over so well with our clients. Adding clients, on the other hand, is a great option when growing your cleaning business is the #1 priority. But we have to keep in mind that when we add more clients, we always add more cost, either in the form of time, money, or both. What I'm about to teach you in this video is going to require just one thing, and I want you to keep this in mind. You, yes, you, are already at an advantage. And I'll explain what I mean later in the video, but for now, let's just hold that thought. Let's talk about affiliate programs. Affiliate programs, in a nutshell, are just many partnerships between you and another business, and you earn money for promoting that business's products or services. First off, go out and look for a company that offers products and services that complement what your cleaning business offers. After you've applied and been accepted to an affiliate program, you're going to be provided an affiliate link. This link is what ties all product purchases back to you. It ties it to your account so that anytime someone comes in and makes a purchase through that affiliate link, you get paid. Think of this like a finder's fee. You've brought a paying customer to the table, and that's worth something to your partner. So they pay you a percentage of the sale. The bigger the sale, the bigger the payout. But wait, I'm a cleaning company. I don't want to sell products. That's the beauty of affiliate programs. You don't actually have to sell anything. You're simply promoting products and getting paid anytime someone buys it using your link. For example, Everest has a line of products that are designed to prevent germs, bacteria, mold, mildew, and odors in between cleanings. The perfect products for any cleaning company to promote. Simply sign up for our affiliate program, link down in the description below, and get your unique affiliate link. All Everest affiliates are given a unique discount code, and this code automatically applies to anyone that makes a purchase through your affiliate link, making it easier for you to promote our products and even easier for you to become a successful affiliate. Okay, so now you have your affiliate link, so you go out and create a Facebook post, create a YouTube video, or maybe you just send out an email to your client list with a message that reads something like this. Hey everyone, I came across some great new products, and they're even guaranteed against odors. Click the link below to check them out and even receive a discount at checkout. And then bam, you post your affiliate link, and if anyone clicks on that and makes a purchase, you get paid. It's as simple as that. Remember earlier on when I told you that you were already at an advantage? Well, the advantage that you have is this. By already owning a cleaning business, you have an audience that you can start promoting products to right now. Do you have a weekly or a monthly newsletter that goes out to those clients? Add your affiliate link to your signature line. Do you have social media accounts with more than 0 followers? Add your affiliate link to your bio. Do you have a YouTube channel? Review some products from various affiliate programs that you're a part of and post the link to those products down in the description. Your affiliate account could start making you money by the end of the day today, and all you have to do is get started. If you don't already have an established cleaning business, this still applies to you, but you will need an established audience that trusts you. Maybe you have a cleaning blog or YouTube channel with a handful of readers and subscribers. The strategy that I just shared with you could turn what was once a hobby into a real source of passive income. And if none of the above is true, if you haven't started that cleaning business yet, or maybe you're on the fence about starting social media accounts and YouTube channels, I hope that what we talked about today is the encouragement you needed to go ahead and get started. These are great strategies to help you raise money that you can then pump into that business that you've been talking about starting for years. In this video, we talked in detail about Everest's affiliate program, but there's a host of other programs out there, and I'll link a few of our favorites down in the description below. If you got any value out of today's video, be sure to drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. For those of you that already own a cleaning business, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out this video over here where we talk about 4 proven marketing strategies to get you more leads without breaking the bank. And we'll catch you in the next video.